little kittens one stormy night began to have a terrible fight. One had a mouse, the other had none, and that is how the fight had begun. Give me the mouse, said the biggest cat. The little cat cried, no, no, you can't. I'll take it away. The big cat spoke, and the little cat gave the other a poke.
We need to be thankful and not complain or cry.
Those naughty cats did not know that, and so they learned a lesson that night. Two little kittens one stormy night were being bad and having a fight. The woman came in and took her broom and chased those kitty cats out of the room.
Shoo, shoo, kitties! Out you go! Oh, those naughty kittens being noisy and fighting so.
We need to be thankful and not complain or cry.
Outside the house with no more mouse, those two little kittens sat side by side. Outside it was so cold and wet, so back inside the kittens went. So thankful they were for their nice warm house. They went to sleep and forgot about the mouse.
We need to be thankful and not complain or cry.
Let's all be glad for what we have and not be like two kittens that fight.
We need to be thankful and not complain or cry.
Let's all be glad for what we have and not be like two kittens that fight.